Welcome back mga angels! And for those who are new here, do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para sa mga updates on our videos. This video will be the first part of our How to Make Doodle Art series. Walang maling drawing when it comes to doodle art dahil literally kahit ano pwede nating i-drawing. Pero minsan nahihirapan tayong tapusin or punuin yung drawing natin. In this video, bibigyan ko kayo ng idea on how to make and improve your background pattern para sa doodle art nyo. Ito yung ginagamit nating filler sa mga natitirang spaces sa drawing natin. And for the materials, ito-try natin for the first time yung Sakura Pigma Micron 03, 005, and 08. We will also be using the following materials. Tip number 1. Start with the basic. Ibang mga artists, especially mga beginners, gusto agad nagsisimula sa mga complicated designs kahit minsan hirap na sila. You may use various combinations and patterns of lines as solid background for your doodle. You just have to be creative. Dito sa first two examples natin, bumuo tayo ng patterns using only straight lines. Pero bukod dito, pwede rin tayong gumamit ng mga wavy or curvy lines sa pagbuo ng mga patterns. Tip number 2. Create a sketch or draft of your patterns. Kahit na free-flowing ideas ang doodle art, syempre it should also look good. Another thing, may mga artists na gumagamit na directly ng pen or marker in doodling. So at least na-visualize na nila how it would look like. Tip number 3. Use shading to create depth. Pwede tayong gumamit ng charcoal or soft graphite pencil for shading. Using this, nagkakaroon ng 3D effect or depth yung drawing natin. Like this one. Kung komportable ka na using and drawing lines, you may apply tip number 4. Tip number 4 is to keep experimenting. Huwag kayong matakot mag-experiment. You just have to use combination of lines and patterns to create your own design. This stage may also help you in developing your own drawing style. Tip number 5. Use thick and thin lines. Bukod sa variation na binibigay ng mga lines na to, ginagamit din natin to para hindi magmukhang flat yung drawing natin. Dahil tulad din ng shading, it gives 3D illusion or 3D effect sa drawing nyo. For our last tip, tip number 6, use basic shapes, figures, and objects. Gumamit ka lang ng mga basic shapes katulad ng circle, star, or kunyari pwede rin cylinder or cone. Tapos pwede ka nang gumawa ng pattern out of it. Dito sa unang example natin, gumamit tayo ng mga circles to create patterns. On this other example naman, different kinds or shapes naman ng arrows yung ginamit natin. Or if you decided to draw objects, you may begin with those simple objects around you. For example, mag-drawing ka ng bato, dahon, o kaya bulaklak, pwede rin namang clouds. So that's it guys. Just learn how to combine your lines, your shapes, figures, and other objects that you're going to put on your work. And before we end this video, do not forget to subscribe on our social media account. Bye guys!